So let's have a look at the settings on the back of the camera. So I'm at f13, so I get a good depth of field. I've got this lovely leading line of the rocks going up towards the sunrise. ISO 100, and then I'm just moving the shutter speed to get the histogram right. If I go about there, looks very bright, but my eyes have adjusted to the dark this morning. I'm focused in. Let's focus in on these rocks in the foreground first. As I'm at f13, if I get those in focus, the rest should be fine. 2-second timer. Let's see what that looks like. Good morning everybody, thanks for joining me again. Well, what a great start to the day. I've just walked down to Shoalstone pool in Brixham to try and catch sunrise, and just managed it, as you saw. So, sun's gone behind a bank of cloud just at the moment, but it's going to pop out the top soon. And I promised myself in the last video I'll spend a bit more time down at the beach here and see what photographs I could get. I've taken some half decent images here in the past, so I thought let's spend some quality time down here and see what I find. So I'm going to try some more at different shutter speeds. No polariser or anything on, I'm just letting the sun reflecting the wet rocks. The tide is on its way out. Perfect timing. Just going behind a cloud there. Let's try that. Might just get that silver lining. I think that cloud is going to move in front of the sunrise, and that will be it. So let's grab some more shots. Try a really dark one just in case. Might be lucky and get some rays coming out from behind the clouds. You never know. Let's just turn it up to f16. Just got a kayaker coming past, enjoying the morning. Look at that lovely sky. Just conscious of that histogram. Very dark, even though it looks bright to me. All right, let's get that kayaker just in the middle there. And as soon as it started, I think it's over. So that's enough rushing to get the shot, so I'm just going to sit for a bit with a coffee, enjoy the quiet morning, and then do a bit more exploring around these rocks here and see what other images I can find. Well, looks like I made the right choice to be here early. The weather has started to clag in really quickly. A little bit of cloud and drizzle coming across the bay here. And I'll just have to wait for the sun to come in and out of the cloud now. So I'll look around, see what compositions I can find, and give it a little bit of time and have some patience, shall we? Well, I found something that looks quite nice. This white boulder, white rock, stuck in the rock pool here. You can use that as an anchor in the foreground and then get the right angle to get some reflection in the rock pool leading into the distance. Let's give that a go. So still wandering along the beach, I've come a little bit closer to the Berry Head Hotel and found some lovely formations in the rocks here. Haven't found a shot yet, but I'm sure there's something here. Let me show you. So I don't think I'm going to get a shot of this morning because the light's going, but all these holes and leading lines filled with water. Got to be something here. Just need to find a composition where the shapes are right. As you can see, as you move around, you can get all these leading lines. This one cutting across from the bottom left. Maybe there, something like that. Who knows? This is one to come back to, I think, when the light's just about right. Well, I think I'm going to stop the filming now. As you can see behind me, there's a little bit of weather coming in and I think I might be getting wet soon. but never mind, it's been a great morning. I found more than I expected down here on Shoalstone Beach. So if you're coming to Brixham, come around to the pool, and just beyond there's this beach, and the formations of rocks and all the seaweed and leading lines are great. So come and see what you can find. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost anything, and hopefully I'll see you all again next week. Bye for now. Cheerio.